Formació d'Adults, which in Catalan means Adult Education Center. And we are very proud of our name because we have recently changed our name. We had the name of the previous monarch in Spain, and we actually didn't want that name because he has been involved in many corruption affairs, and we have been suggested by the main institution to change our name and have the name of a lady who was very much involved with pedagogical affairs in the city of Lleida. And we agreed, obviously, and we were very happy to change our name. This is a picture of our school, but this is not actually our school because this is a municipality center. This is a civil center. And we share some rooms inside. So the building is not from the educational institution, the building is from a social institution in Catalonia, and we just have some rooms inside, which are our classes and some of our offices. Those who visited our school, they could realize that this is a very small school. This is the location of our school. This is destroyed on the map of Catalonia, which lies in the north of Spain. And we insist very much in the location and especially in the location and the distinction that we are in the north of Spain and we are in Catalonia, because you know that there are lots of difficult situations in our country, but especially because we have our own community and our own autonomous community, and we teach both languages in our school and in all schools in our community. We teach English, Catalan and Spanish, and we are ruled by the Catalan government. Yeah? We depend on the Spanish government, but education is ruled by the Catalan government. So in case you ever visit any adult school in the west of the state in Spain, there might be some differences between those schools and the school you have visited in Lleida, okay? Fine. Our school is a public school, which means that it's ruled from the state, from the autonomous government of Catalonia. We are 12 teachers, and we have 620 teachers, which have 620 students. So if you compare it with Lehr Center, they are 65 teachers with almost the same number of students. We have morning lessons, morning groups, afternoon groups, and in some cases we have evening groups.